Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can just connect your Shopify store to your WIX. So as you can see here, so it is important to connect your Shopify to a WIX because WIX gives us a professional platform to a site building and Shopify gives us a best platform to sell your products. So first you have to just sign up in your WIX account. So to sign up you can just search as here WIX. Okay, so here you have to just create a website. So as you can see, it's a human. So here you can see as if you have to build your site. Okay, so here you have to just if you don't want to choose domain later. So as you can see, you have to go to Wix, not web.com. So you have to just create as here. Okay, so here you have to sign up and dashboard will looking like this. So first you have to create a site and create, like, you have to go to your dashboard. So as you can see, so here in this video for the automation I am using this Zapier. So you can directly search in your web Zapier. Zapier is like you can search Zapier login. So Zapier is a tool that connects all the apps for automated for your work. So you can just search as Zapier login. You have to click here. So here we can see Zapier transform your business with no code automation. So here you have to click sign up for free. So here we have to just sign up. So as you can see, we can just use account, Google account here. So what's my role? So let's do as uh, IT, and our people employees are like 1 to 49. So as you can see, here is Zapier. So here Zapier gives us to connect, like here you can see YouTube to Facebook, YouTube to Discord, YouTube to that. So here we have to just like connect our Shopify to Wix. So in Wix, as you can see, here is when you scroll down. So Wix gives us option to automation. So here you have to click here, and as you can see, here it is written get paid faster by sending reminders and coupons. You can set automation. So let's do here. Let's go here. So here we have to just search connect this app with this one. Okay. So here we have to search Shopify. So here is our Shopify, and here we have to select as Wix. Okay, Wix automation, then start trigger. So we have to just trigger for new order. As you can see, what we have to do, what this happens. So we can just trigger new order and make a zap. So as you can see, so here is our zap editor. So first we have to just verify. So as you can see, we have to kind of sign in. So here you can see we have to sign in our Shopify account with WhatsApp. So here we have to write the ID. So ID will be here, as you can see. We have to copy this one. Okay. So we have to copy this one. So we have to go to here, and as you can see, we have to just go here and just write here our ID. Okay. So yes, just continue to Shopify. So as you can see, so here is our Shopify. So we can just connect the store to our Shopify. So it's connected. So we can just to continue. So let's test it. So let's trigger. Okay. So we can test. We can just test. Okay. So we can just do skip this test. So as you can see, here is our order. Okay. So this is our data. So as you can see, we have like done here, and then we have to connect our Wix automation. So to connect it, you have to just choose the event requirement. Okay, so let's choose as event as here we can just choose as payment. Okay, payment, we can just search payment, or we can just search here as so as we have to just change it, so we can just change here is WIX answer. So we can just choose WIX answer. So here we have to choose event. So we have to create label. So as you can see, we hit continue. So sign in, as you can see. So we have to sign in a WIX automation to account. So here is asking for our account. So as you can see, here is our API key. We have to just connect it. So you can just show my account name. Okay. So we have to go to WIX. So here is your like here. You can just click here. Just open it. Okay. So here you can just see like your account required. Then go to my account wixanswer.com. So here just copy this and search it here. Okay, just have to search as Wix answer. Okay, so here is API key required. We have to just write our API key here, and here we have to write our your account name appears before the Wix answer in your account URL. So as you can see here, we will go to our account settings. Okay, so here is our API keys. So just generate API key name sample, and we can just generate a key. We have to send the code to this mail. So we have to open this mail. So as you can see here, it's loading. So here is our key. So let's copy it. Okay. So show permission. So we can just copy this. Okay. So here we can just open it. We can just paste it. So this is our what is our API secret key. So to know the API secret key, just click here and just edit. So as you can see here, we have account ID and So from here where you will get your API key and a password. So you have to just do from here. So it will be connected. So this is how you can just connect your Shopify with your Wix. So this is how you can just connect. So this is for the video. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.